Another fun wrapping paper idea, because there's always so much wrapping paper from last year, from the year before, from this year, is you take the scraps and you simply cover your family photos, your dog photos. So if you're one of those people who decorates their home with photos, an easy way to change your whole apartment or home is to wrap them in wrapping paper. You want to have a little wrap off?
Sure.
You don't have to wrap both sides, just the front, because the other, the other side is going to be on a wall. And you do a quick little wrap.
I'm still trying to figure this one out.
I'm not the best wrapper, but you don't have to be. You can sort of cheat it.
Didn't we just cover up the picture of the puppet? Oh, I get it. Duh.
Yes. Love your puppy. Always. Here you go.
I'm like, but wait, we're covering up a picture of my dog?
Which is never fun.
To make a decoration.
Exactly.
Idiot.
Not idiot.
No,
busy lady.
It's very cool, and it looks like a wall of presents.
Exactly.
Now I understand.
Yes. It's so fun. You got it. You got it.
This is really clever.
It's cute, and you can mix and match patterns. You can put bows. You can put ribbons.
And you don't have to spend any extra money.
You
have
already have wrapping
presents.
paper at home. Yeah, it's a small thing that makes a big difference in your home.
I really love that, Joe.
Yeah, and anybody can do it.
Yes. Anybody can.
Put your kids to work.